Welcome to Picture Healer channel. Today I'd like to talk about how to find your flying star chart, the yearly chart, monthly chart, and the daily chart. The charts might look random, but there are some theories and some orders or formulas behind. First, we'll look at the yearly chart. We talk about the 60 stem branch combinations that's coming from the 10 heavenly stems and the 12 earthly branches. And that's the basic timing system for the Chinese calendar, including month, year, and the day. Every year has a related stem branch or the 60-year cycle. For example, 2025 is a year of Yi Si. Yi is a heavenly stem and Si is an earthly branch. And in Feng Shui, we have 9 periods. Each period lasts for 20 years. So from the period 1 and the beginning of the 60-year cycle, or the first Jiazi year, the center star of the flying star chart is number 1. And for the period 4 or the middle period, the first Jiazi year has a center flying star number 4. For the first Jiazi year of the period 7, the center flying star is number 7. And we count from that number in a descending order. The flying star chart is decided by the center star. When we know the center star, we can find out the rest of the stars. We know in 2024, the center star of the flying star chart is number 3. And 2025, it becomes number 2. And 2026, it will be number 1. And after number 1, 2027, it starts number 9 again. So the center star is in descending order every year. Now we know the center star, we have to find out the rest of the chart. We talked about this a while back. The order of the flying star is based on the Luo Shu numbers. And here is the Luo Shu chart. You can count the dot and see the number. On the top is number 9, the bottom is 1. The left is number 3, the right is number 7. When you add up the numbers in the opposite direction, it will always be 10. So this is also called a magic square. And based on the Luo Shu chart, we can see the flying direction of the stars, starting from the center. The center is number 5, and we find number 6, that's in the northwest. And then number 7, it goes to west. And then number 8, northeast, and then south, number 9, north, number 1, southwest, number 2, east, number 3, and southeast, number 4. So you always fly in this direction. And that's how we come up with these 9 charts. For example, 2025, we have number 2 in the center. Then we can refer to this chart with number 2 star in the center. That will be the 2025 yearly chart. Next, how do we find out the monthly flying star chart? This one is by the year. We separate the years into 3 groups. Each year has a corresponding animal sign, and group 1 is a rat, horse, rabbit, and rooster year. Group 2 is a dragon, dog, ox, and a goat year. Group 3 is a tiger, monkey, snake, and pig year. For example, 2025 is a snake year, so that's group 3. So the first month, the center of the flying star is number 2, and it goes in the descending order. The second month will be star 1, and then the third month is start from star 9 again. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we need to know that Feng Shui months is based on the 24 solar turns, or the 24 jieqi. So it's not by the January 1st. The first month start with the Li Chun Day. It's usually around February 4th in the Western calendar. And the first month is referred to the tiger month because in the name of the month, according to the stem branch, the yin means the tiger. So here is an example, February 2026. The center of the Flying Star chart is number 8 star. And once we know the star in the center, we can refer to the 9 Flying Star chart again to find the star locations. So for the group 1, the center star of the first month is number 8. And for group number 2, the center star of the Flying Star chart is number 5. So for example, the red year, that's group 1, the first month starting from the Li Chun day, that's around February 4th. The number 8 is the center of the Flying Star. And the second month, it will be number 7. So that's how we find the monthly Flying Star chart. Next, we will find the daily Flying Star chart. And this is also related to the 24 solar turns and the 60 stem branch combinations. Every day there is a corresponding stem branch name starting from the Jiazi day. Jia is the first heavenly stem and the Zi is the first of the earthly branches. To find the daily Flying Star, there are actually 6 groups by the 24 solar turns. And we know there are 2 solar turns in each month. The first group starts from the Dongzhi winter solstice. That's usually around December 22nd until Yu Shui or rainwater. That's usually around February 19th or 20th. We find the first Jiazi day near the Dongzhi day. When we look at this calendar, the Dongzhi day of the 2025 is December 21st. And this day is actually a Jiazi day. And the rule is to have star 1 in the center of the Flying Star chart for the Jiazi day that's close to the Dongzhi day. So here, the 21st, Jiazi day, that's star number 1 in the center of the chart. And the next day, Yichou day, that will be star number 2 in the center of the Flying Star chart. And the next day will be number 3, and the following day will be number 4. We just keep going until star 9, and then we come back to star 1 again. So we keep going in this order, and we'll skip 3 solar turns. So that includes January 2026, 2 solar turns, and the first solar turn of February 2026. That's the Li Chun. And the next one will be the rainwater on the 18th of February 2026. We find the Jiazi day near the Yu Shui, and the center star of that day will be star 7. And when you check the calendar, the Jiazi day is on the 19th. So on the 19th of February 2026, it's the number 7 as the center of the Flying Star chart. And the next day will be star 8 in the center, and the following day will be star 9. And then start again from star 1, 2, 3. So that's how we find the center star of the daily Flying Star chart. And once we know the center star, we can refer back to this chart again to find the whole chart. So there are 6 important dates that will change the center star of the daily Flying Star chart. The first one is Dongzhi. That's December 22 or 23 with star 1 as Jiazi day star. And the next one is Yu Shui, February 19 or 20. That's star 7 as a Jiazi day. And the next one is the Gu Yu or the Grand Rain. That's April 20th to 21st. That's star 4 as the center star of the Jiazi day. And the next one is Xiazhi or summer solstice. That's June 21st or 22nd. And find the Jiazi day near the summer solstice day. And the center star will be number 9 for that day. And the next one is Chu Shu, the hidden heat. That's August 23rd or 24th. and you'll be star number 3 for the 甲子 day near the 处暑 day. And the last one is 霜降, the frost descent. That's October 23rd or 24th. And the star is number 6 for the center star of the 甲子 day. That's near the 霜降 day. So that's how we find the daily flying star. It might be a little bit complicated. Maybe next year I will put it down in the calendar so you can have an easier reference. I hope this is not too confusing. You can always check the calendar. There are some websites showing the online flying star calculator, but some of them might not be accurate. So it's better if you know how to calculate it. At least you can double check. And if you're interested in 2025 Feng Shui calendar and planner, we have both digital copy and hard copy. You can check out our website, picturehealer.com, or find it on Amazon store. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.